What's up, fellow traders? That right there is when it all started. That's when I started making my own decisions and not being influenced by other people. It's real important to take all the information given to you and listen to people, but you need to make your own decisions because you're the one that has to live with them. Today was interesting, we had some fluff this morning and then boom, dude, the Dow fought it all day. I'm going to get right into it and grab the camera. I'm definitely looking at shorting some Dollar Tree. I haven't yet. This is beautiful. They hit something like 46 today. Basically didn't do anything else with my positions. What I have here right now is the day chart of the Dow, and just look how it just battled the 45.50 area, and we briefly, look at that, went up and damn near touched the 8,500, and then this is perfect. This is just what we want to see, and then boom, the big sell-off to close at the low of the day. Volume wasn't that huge, but I want to say something because I read one of the comments from our fellow traders, and from my experience and what I believe, bear market rallies don't end in strong volume. They kind of fluff away in light volume. And that's what's happening here. Before you know it, we're going to be under 8,000 and you're not going to know what happened. Beautiful on the riff in here. Boom. And then just a solid sell-off for our FAS today, closing at its low. Things are starting to happen now. Once we get down like a little lower, that's when you're going to see the volume probably pick up when we get close to this 50-day. But look at how on the Dow now we kind of bounced off our new downtrend. I don't think I pointed that out last night, but we closed kind of right on our new Dow trend, and boom, sold right off. And look what they did today where they closed us. Look at that. We are right there on the crucial point. Okay? Everything's really starting to look good for me now. Okay? And why? Because the Dow can't even get up to 8,500 now. See? The IYR can't even get up to our 33.75. Like it hit like 33.60 today and then just sold right off, which I want to pull that up tonight too. Things are starting to happen. And the bears are definitely winning right now. We know this is just all bogus. Look at that though. Didn't even hit our 33.75 we've been eyeballing for the past month. Once this breaks through 30, look out below. I know one of our fellow traders and I were discussing the 30.50 area, but I'm kind of more leaning towards right on 30. Okay, that's our IYR. So the Dow's setting up for a nice tumble. We got our new downtrend forming, and look at that. There it is. That's where we came up and went to new lows right there, and that's where they closed us today. You know what they're doing. They're doing their job is what they're doing. And it's just like on the way down when they shake you out like right here, and they're getting rid of all the weak hands, everybody that needs to save the rest of their money. They've went from $1 million to 500,000, so he's like, geez, I'm holding on to my last 500K. Because as it starts to go, the guy that didn't get shook out here sells instantly here. And the rally falters. See? So that's where you have a monster shakeout, and that's where you can get a nice rally because they've shooken out everybody that's going to be a weak hand on the way up. And that's what's happening now, is they're sucking everybody in, because if they don't, on the pullback, you got buyers right there. But if they suck everybody in here, when it pulls back, they're not going to be buying because they're going to be, you know, they got sucked in. So we got, you know, the S&P under 900. The Dow couldn't even hit 8,500 today, battled 8,450 and then just broke down. And our IYR couldn't even hit our 3375. You know, I definitely predict down days, Thursday and Friday. You know, what else is gonna, you know, technically turn this market back up? Nothing. We're at the top of the big dog channels I pointed out. We're at the top of the huge horizontal trend lines. You know, the three big trends. Let's get the IYR under 30. We'll settle for the Dow under 8,000. And then we'll shoot for 78.80. Let's get FAS up into the high 6s, 7s. You know, let's get a jump. Let's see SRS back at 25. And if Dollar Tree fluffs up any more on these earnings, I'll be right there to short them. Good luck.